The European Union's highest court today ruled that people can request that Google remove certain search results because of privacy concerns. So basically, they said that if you have a result that shows up on Google, whether it's a link to a newspaper or a court document, you can ask that Google take that down, even if it's true, even if there's nothing actually particularly wrong with it. But Google can't show that then in its search results. One of the concerns here that Google and other search engines will have will be that their search results won't be considered complete. So if you pop a search term into Google in Spain, for example, you might find different search results than you might find in another country. The response from search engines so far has been a bit muted. Google has said it's obviously disappointed in the ruling. We haven't heard yet from Microsoft, which runs the search engine Bing. But search engine providers were probably taken a little bit by surprise by this because the court ruled in opposition to an opinion laid out by the EU Advocate General, which generally they agree in most cases. And the Advocate General had said that search engines don't need to necessarily comply with requests to remove information from search results. Google and other search engines can't appeal this particular ruling, but it remains to be seen how it will actually take effect, how it will actually touch our lives, because the lower courts now in different countries and different nations that make up the European Union all have to go back and sort of figure out what this means to them, what this means to their country. The interesting thing here is that the search results themselves, the links to these newspapers, newspaper articles, court documents, they might all be factually correct. What the European Union's court has said is that Google is creating a new record, essentially a new piece of information, by aggregating, by indexing all these different results and putting them in one place for you. So that's why the European Union court has said that it can tell Google to take certain search results down.